unveiled 4 new iPhones at its September 7th Far Out event. 3 iPhones were made available earlier in September, and now the 4th one, the iPhone 14 Plus, has gone on sale and is available to buy in India. Let's take a quick look at the iPhone 14 Plus in this unboxing video. So this is the iPhone 14 Plus. Compared to the iPhone 14, there is absolutely no difference between the two smartphones except the screen size. The iPhone 14 comes with a 6.1-inch display, whereas this iPhone 14 Plus has a 6.7-inch display, which makes it as big as the most expensive iPhone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The differences between the Pro and non-Pro models, of course, are many. Like, you only get 2 cameras in the 14 vanilla models, whereas the Pro models have 3 cameras. Apart from that, watch out for a review for a complete and a detailed analysis of what the iPhone 14 brings. For more news and updates, you can log on to Gadgets Now, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.